here to look at this new stove from Robens. This is the Robens Hunter Tent Stove. Now, it's a new stove for 2024. It replaces the Kobuk stove, which is a stove we've been using for a number of years, and it's got some nice neat features on. Really nice big air vent, which is good. A much larger screen on the front. Inside, pretty similar. And the drying rack's on the side. It's got some new legs that are a little bit more sturdy than before. But the big thing here are these really large glass windows. So if you imagine you've got a fire going in a tent, maybe something like the new Robens Settlerfield, you've got this going in here, that's just going to have such great ambience, isn't it, with the fire going in with the tent. Really cosy camping, especially in colder weather, eh? And the other thing it's got is a brand new stainless steel flue pipe, which looks really, really stunning.